is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a no-obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Mayor Eric Adams. Listen, brother, New York City, you got to support voting rights for immigrants. It was passed in the city council. That law is now challenged. And that law that is being challenged, I'm really concerned about the black people that are against voting rights for immigrants. Why? Because one of those people work for your administration. And anyone that you hire for your administration should follow your lead. Because when they do not follow your lead, my presumption is that you support what they say. And anyone that you have on your team that is against voting rights for immigrants should be fired, because you were elected because we believe that you will support voting rights for immigrants. So, Mayor Eric Adams, you get your act together. You want a war, you will get a war. Because for 25 years, I've been working on that war with New York City, New York State, so that we could have voting rights for immigrants. And I'm not going to tolerate your resistance, since you benefited from immigrants who became green card holders, who became citizens to vote for you. The highest percentage of black people in New York City, brother, are immigrants. Black immigrants who became black citizens. And when your NYPD beating down anyone and violating their civil rights, they do not ask them. They do not ask them anything. They see black, they know, hey, you're black. And you could have been born here. You could have immigrated here. One thing you can't change is black, my brother. So Mayor Eric Adams, I want to remind you that you're black. And I want you to remind the black people specifically who work for you that they are black. And the white man doesn't differentiate. Yeah. Our enemies don't differentiate those KKK Trump elements. Even those white liberals who love us so much, they have problems with us. Because they think that they should be the leaders and we should not be the leaders. America is black and white, and all the various colors of black. We are different shades scattered globally, the same goal, equality. Before 1926, white people came to this country and were actually voting in presidential elections, even though they were not U.S. citizens, voting in New York City and other places. And their biggest qualification was they were white. And that was prior to 1926. When they see black people coming in here, they got concerned. And that's like all the various voting rights violations that we have had for centuries in this country, decades in this country. They are following the same pattern. Mayor Eric Adams, I will give you $1,000 to sit with me for 1,000 minutes so that I could educate you on African American history. You and your colleagues, your appointees who are against voting rights for immigrants. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. When I came to America, the guy in customs said, well, why you want to go to school here? I said, well, in Trinidad and Tobago, we don't have a university and we on vines, like Tarzan, moving from one branch to the other. Yeah, that was my racist welcome to America. When I was arrested by Sergeant John of the 83rd Precinct, yeah, they are like, what country are you from? I said, I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Give him a ticket. Well, why a ticket, sir? Well, arrest him. Well, Sergeant John of the 83rd Precinct, why am I arrested? Because I'm going to put you through the system and teach you a lesson. Welcome to America. Yes, welcome to America, my brothers and sisters. It is what it is. So, what are we going to do? Are we going to be divided because we have accents? Are we going to be divided because we came from the motherland, the Caribbean, Brazil, Latin America? The slave ships stopped at different ports. One brother in an 8 family could have come North Carolina, another brother Florida, another brother Haiti, another brother Jamaica, another brother Trini, another brother Brazil. Yeah, we share in genes more than you could ever imagine. So those of you who want to distinguish yourselves, I am black because I'm born in America and I'm a better black than you guys born in the Caribbean, born in Africa, born in Latin America. You are doing exactly what the white man has done. He has divided and conquered us. So Laurie Combo, yeah. Carnegie, yeah. Eric Adams, yeah. You're supposed to be 100% voting rights for immigrants. And Mayor Eric Adams, all those Caribbean people, African people who voted for you would be, should be, are ashamed of you for not supporting voting rights for immigrants. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Do you need a warrior? Have your civil rights been violated by the NYPD, by New York City, in the private sector? as a union or non-union member, we will be your warrior and we will fight your battle. Again, we practice civil rights how it should be. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Mayor Eric Adams, that $1,000 is waiting for you to come and get it. Because I believe if you are better educated, you're going to be a great mayor. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.